Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Kyle from Lunar Digital Assets, here to do a tutorial video on reading candlestick patterns. So what is a candlestick? A candlestick is basically a record of price action within a specific amount of time. When looking at a candlestick, let's for example take this one, you may get one or two colors. You may get a green, or you also may get a red. A green candle occurs when the price of this candle closes above where it opens, and you can kind of see right over here, this is where it opens, this is where it closed. On a particular candle, you're also going to see some sort of straight line that extends above and or below the candle over here. That means that was the high and that is a low. The only reason why that part isn't highlighted is because that's not where the candle that's not the range between where the candle opened and closed. Like for example, this is where the candle would have opened, and this is where it would have closed. And that's why it's the red color, because the close is under the open. Alright, so when looking at this chart, on the y-axis over here, you have price action. On the x-axis, you have the time. If you wanted to change the time interval of when reading a chart, you can go ahead and select on the top, right over here, and you have different intervals for the candle. So this means that for every 30 minutes, you get one candlestick. You have an hour, and you can go all the way up to a day or whatever it is you want. Let's hop on to the 4 hour. And right now we're looking at the Bitcoin over US dollar on the Bitfinex exchange. And this is what we get over here. So you can kind of see we have some positive upwards movement over here, kind of a retracement from this major sell-off over here. And the current candle we're on, it is not closed, so that's why you don't see any. Let's kind of zoom in here. It hasn't closed yet, so that's why we haven't moved over to the next candle over here. If we look at candles with these long wicks over here, this is also indicative of whether or not it is a bullish or bearish candle. So if you have a very long wick to the upside, that's indicative of a bearish candle. And the reason why that is, it's kind of showing you that this had an attempt to rise up, but it was rejected very quickly. So essentially, the longer the wick here, the more bearish it gets. Inversely, if you have a candle, let me show you maybe a bullish engulfing. Let's go zoom in here. Let's go back to February 6th. So if you have a candle with this very long wick to the bottom, that's a bullish candle, just like so. And this one again, a bearish candle with a long wick to the upside. And you can see right after it was rejected, and just like that. And that's a basic tutorial on candlestick patterns. Thank you for watching.